Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing the NIOS mathematics assignments, and in this one, we are discussing question number 2. Before starting this question, I want to share something that you can on the screen that you can see on the screen that we provide PDF and the handwritten assignments of any type of course, any type of subject. So if you need answers of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And now question number 2A is a polygon which has equal sides, and equal sides is called a regular polygon. It is found that the interior angle of regular polygon having n sides can be calculated as interior angle is equal to n minus 2 upon n equal to. So find out the named simplest regular polynomial and write the value of its interior angle. Second one is to prove that the sum of the angle of a hexagon is 720. So these are the questions of this assignment. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number if you need answers. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.